स्टूडेंट्स, आज की यूट्यूब लेक्चर में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि व्हाट इज़ ग्रेजुएटी एंड व्हाट इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ग्रेजुएटी एंड हाउ टू कैलकुलेट टैक्सेबल ग्रेजुएटी. फर्स्टली, मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रेजुएटी. Gratuity is a lump sum payment which is made by an employer to his employee for his past service during service period. If an employee retire from the service or his expires during the service, his employer give him gratuity. It is also called death cum retirement gratuity. Some part of gratuity is exempt and remaining part shall be taxable. The amount of gratuity received by employee is taxable under head salaries, while the amount of gratuity received by the heir of employees is taxable under the head income from other sources. For computing taxable gratuity, the employee have been divided into two categories. First, government employees and employees of local authorities. Second, non-government employees. Number one, government employees and employees of local authorities. Section 10, subsection 10 and subsection first. The employee of central government, state government and local authorities are included in this category, but the employees of statutory corporation are not included in it. The whole amount of gratuity received by these employee or their heir is exempt. It means neither any amount of gratuity of this employee is included under the head salary, nor any amount of gratuity received by legal heirs shall be included under the head income from other sources. Second, non-government employee. The gratuity received by non-government employee shall be exempt under a limit. We will study the rule of exemption of gratuity dividing the non-government employee in the following two groups. A. Non-government employee who are paid gratuity under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 or who are covered under this act. Section 10, subsection 10, subsection 2nd. Employee who are covered under Payment of Gratuity Act. The employees working in government factories, semi-government factories, private factories, oil fields, parts, railways, etc. are covered under this act. Beside this, those employees working in such shop and undertaking where 10 or more than 10 employees have been or had been any day in a year. Exempted gratuity. Least amount of the following three amount shall be exempt and remaining amount shall be included in the salary. First, actual amount of gratuity received. Second, salary of 15 days for the service of which completed year. wages of 7 days in the case of employees working in seasonal institution in place of 15 days. 6 months or more than 6 months will be treated 1 year and salary of last month will be taken for this purpose. Third, 10 lakh rupees. Meaning of salaries for gratuity. First, salary, it means salary of last month plus dearness pay plus dearness allowance, whether it is under the term of employment or not. Second, no commission, fee, bonus, house rent allowance, or any other allowance will be included in salary. Third, 1 month will be considered for 26 days. Salary for 15 days will be computed as follows: salary for last month including DA multiply by 15 days divided by 26 days. Fifth, if an employee gets salary or wages under piece rate or contract system, average of 3 month salary wages immediately preceding retirement, death shall be considered. Salary for 15 days will be computed as follows: average monthly salary or wages for last 3 months multiply 15 days upon 26 days. Thank you.